I'm looking at this plea bargain agreement. And there's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Stephanie Ortiz.
That's her by her request, Judge.
I'm not following. I'm not going to follow that. 3546, State of Texas versus Larry Casillas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Thanks to the state of Texas.
Defense,
Elizabeth Russell for Larry Casillas.
are you Larry Casillas? Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your attorney?
I have reviewed.
I'm sorry, with your client.
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery, showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
That's
That appears to be a yes.
it. We're proceeding on count one.
All right, there's only one count in the indictment.
Yes.
All right. Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with assault of a pregnant person? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. I'm looking at this plea bargain agreement. And there's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Stephanie Ortiz.
That's her by her request, Judge.
I'm
We
not
filed an
following. I'm not going to follow that.
Even though that's her request.
No, I mean, no, even though it's a request, according to what I'm about to receive, he is a person who is hitting on, not in a loving manner, a pregnant person. I mean, was she pregnant at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
So if, you know,
She's
I-
requesting, and I'm sorry, Judge, may I speak?
sure.
She's requesting it for her convenience. They've been doing custody exchanges for the last almost a year through a third-party person, and it's her request. She reached out to me, filled out an affidavit of non-prosecution and requested that. So
I'm not following that. So if you all want to withdraw your plea now, you can, but I am not doing a no harmful or injurious contact for somebody who's accused, and I haven't read the, the steps yet, who's accused of hitting a pregnant person.
that's fine, Judge. They're no longer in a relationship. The only relationship is for the benefit of their children. He has no interest in communicating with her beyond that.
All right, so I'm not going to follow that. So y'all have a choice. Either you can go to jury trial or either you all can change that part of your plea bargain agreement.
We're proceeding with the no contact, Judge.
All right, if you all want to change that. Court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we would just request that you follow the agreement between the state and defense. Mr. Casillas is wanting to move forward in a direction that's appropriate for his children. He understands what went wrong and he wants to take full responsibility for that. And he has had no issues since the arrest on this date, and they have been successfully co-parenting since that time. There was a CPS case, Judge, that was closed out for no finding.
All right, how old are you?
21, Your Honor.
How many children do you have?
2, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
1 year and 6 months.
1 year and what?
1 year and 6 months.
Are you employed?
Yes, Your Honor.
What do you do?
I work at Amazon at facility warehouse.
All right, so why do you keep hitting on Stephanie Ortiz? At one point, I'm assuming you loved her because you have children with her.
Yes, Your Honor.
So why do you keep hitting on her?
It was just me not being in the right state of mind, me letting my feelings get to myself and not just thinking right and thinking straight.
That makes no sense to me.
Your Honor, it was just my fault. I just let my feelings get to myself, let her get in my head and
Let what?
let her get in my head, and I just reacted in a wrongful way.
No, but I mean, you're up here hitting someone. Honestly, I don't even know why I should follow this plea, but your attorney is telling me that she's filed a affidavit of non-prosecution. But according to this, she was pregnant and she was going to be induced that day, and you decided to put your hands on her. I don't understand how is she getting in your head that you would be hitting a pregnant woman who's about to deliver your child.
No, Your Honor, what that day was in the day we were supposed to get induced. But I believe the hitting was before that. So it was just the marks that had came about.
But you still hit her while she was pregnant
Yes.
and she was close to her due date.
Yes.
Not that it's appropriate to hit anyone anyway,
No, it's not, Your Honor.
but obviously she was pregnant. And what she's saying in this documentation, I want you to tell you the reason why I'm saying no contact,
Yes, Your Honor.
because what she's saying in this police report is this is not the first time that you've been abusive to her. And the police took photos and she had bruising and swelling to the eye along with busted vessels in her eye. That's what you did. So the two children you have, is this a boy and a girl or two boys or two girls?
Girl and
All right. So what's your daughter's name? Sarabella.
she's a year and 7 months.
All right. So she's a year and 7 months. I guarantee you she knows that you've been abusive to her mom. Do you love your daughter?
I love her with all my heart.
With all your heart? Would you do anything for her?
I would, Your Honor.
I used to do CPS cases and parents would tell me I will walk through fire for my children.
Yes, Your Honor.
They would say that because they knew nobody had a fire for them to walk through.
Mhm.
But I believe you when you say you love your daughter.
Yes, Your Honor.
So how would you feel if your daughter became of age and she ends up with somebody like you who hits on her? Would you be okay with that?
I'll be very upset, Your Honor.
And so your daughter is learning what it means to show love is to hit on people, and might makes right.
Your Honor, that's
You're going to have to change your ways.
yes,
You
Your
are
Honor.
not to have any contact with Stephanie Ortiz. And anybody else you get into a relationship yet, don't let them meet your publicist. Let them meet you and tell them, hey, want to let you know, I had this abusive acts in my background,
Yes, Your Honor.
because then they can make an informed decision about whether or not they want to date you. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Stephanie Ortiz. There's to be the BIPP course, parenting classes, that can be with rainbows. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived once he completes parenting classes. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Positive, Your Honor.
And what are you going to be positive for?
I mean, no, negative, Your Honor.
Negative? Okay. So you haven't used anything.
No,
I think Amazon drug tests, do
yes,
they
yes,
not?
yes, I'm done drugs, yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's to be regular UAs. I'm going to want field visits one time every 3 months. All right, are there any applications?
No, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 006113, State versus Johnny Galvan. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor. David A. Garcia, attorney for Johnny Galvano.
And are you Johnny Galvan?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge. Judge, sorry to interrupt, but I believe there's two cases.
There are two? Okay,
Sure.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there is. Also, the court is calling 2025 CR 006603. And in that cause number, counsel, have you received all the discovery as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then in each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, counsel, did you review the true bill of indictment with your client?
Yes, Judge.
And Mr. Galvan, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? And each cause number, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State in the cause number ending in 13, which is the drug case, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving count 2, proceeding on count 1 alone, and we're also waiving the enhancement paragraphs.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, and in the cause number ending in 03, the burglary of the building, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving the enhancement paragraphs.
No objection.
All right, Mr. Galvan, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? In the cause number ending in 13, the state is proceeding on the count that is the manufacturing delivery of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4,200 grams. That's a first degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In the cause number with the burglary of the building, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have plea bargain agreements with the state in each of these cause numbers, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your
In each cause number, do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Honor. He does, and I do.
In each cause number, do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is.
Mr. Galvan, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? I'm sorry. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number involving the burglary of the building, according to the plea, 145 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. There's a $2,000 fine. The cases will run concurrently and also concurrently with 2019 CR 13796. And the other cause number involving the drug case, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. The state is proceeding on count 1. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. They will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006603 and 2019 CR 13796. Did you understand that to be the
Yes, sir.
plea? Defense, is that the plea in each of the cause numbers?
It is, Judge.
State,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each of the cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Honor. Filed but not heard on, Judge.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 006603, the burglary of the building, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in the cause number ending in 2025 CR 006113, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, in each of the cause numbers, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all the statements in each case.
You reviewed stage 1 and all attachments in both cases that we have no.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 006113, court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2025 CR 006603 and 2019 CR 13796, and the court will request the therapeutic community. And cause number 2025 CR 006603, Court is going to sentence you to 145 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. This run concurrent with 2025 CR 006113, 2019 CR 13796. There's to be restitution to Renee Rodriguez, Alva Atalia Hernandez, Alay Hillel, Desiree Mitchell, there's to be no contact with Natalie Rodriguez. All right, and each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, the other cause number, he's not currently on probation, is he?
No.
All right,
Who's that? Is that a boy?
I think that's the 2019. All right, good luck to you. Thank you.